I'm Anil Kumar and we are exploring how to solve trigonometric equations. To begin with, we have started with very simple example, just a single ratio. Here we have tan x equals to minus 0.2546, where x is between 0 to 360 degrees. You know our rules. Our rules are, first step is figure out where is tan positive or negative, right? So it says negative. We say, well, tan is negative in quadrant 2 and 3. And then we have to find the acute angle and then the principal angle. But now in this example, we'll break our rules. Okay, let us break them. So if we break our rules, then let me call this break our rules. Then what happens? Let us see that part now, right? Since some students have had some questions that why am I doing this lengthy way of solving, right? So let's do a shortcut. So we have tan x equals to minus 0.2546, and surely x is equals to tan inverse of minus 0.2546, right? So we'll use the calculator and find the answer. So we have second function tan inverse, and within bracket we write minus 0.2546 bracket close equal to, we get answer which is minus 14.28. So we get x equals to minus 14.28 degrees. So we get one answer. Now if you report this answer, then will it be right or wrong? Now, is it between 0 to 360 degrees? That is first question. It is not. Well, that means something is wrong, correct? So my advice is don't rush. Follow the method and do it carefully. Even a simple question like this can be wrong for you, right? So let's follow the steps. First, we are looking for tan value to be negative. We know all are positive here. Sine is positive in quadrant 1, tan is positive in 3, cosine in 4. Negative means we are in quadrant 2 or in quadrant 4. So we are expecting two results. Perfect. Now how to get two values? Calculator gave us one value. That is also not in the domain. Come on. Now let's find the two values. So the acute angle for us has to be in quadrant 1, right? So let's say this angle alpha is what we will find first. This is not our answer, right? Okay, so we change the equation. We say tan of alpha is equals to, we'll drop the sign. Okay, we say 0.2546. Use the calculator. And we do tan inverse 0.2546 bracket close equal to 14.284. So we get alpha equals to tan inverse 0.2546, which is 14.284. Okay, so we got our answer. This is in quadrant 1, definitely not our answer. What are we looking for? We are looking for x, and that x value should be in quadrant 2 or 4, correct? So let's rewrite. So we say tan of x is equals to minus 0.2546. So x should be equal to what? Now we know that alpha is 14.28, and in quadrant 4 and 2, if alpha is 14.28, let me write down, acute angle is 14.28, right? So we are going for two decimal places, okay? In that case, what is the value of x? That is what the real answer is, correct? So the real answer here is, the value of x is 180 minus 14.28 or 360 minus 14.28. So we get two different solutions, right? So the two solutions are 180 degrees minus 14.28 degrees or 360 degrees minus 14.28 degrees. Okay, let's calculate them. So we have 8, so we round to two decimal places, okay? 180 minus 14.28 equals to, in decimals, it says 165.72, and the other one is 360 minus 14.28 equals to, in decimals, 345.72. So these are the two answers for us. Okay, so we write down these as our answers. As you know, last part for us is to check, right? See, instead of that, we do get two correct answers. These are between 0 to 360, expected to be correct. Now, let us check. So we have tan of 165.72 equals to what? It says minus 25452. Okay, it's close, right? Since we rounded the number. To get accuracy of 4 decimals, I should have done 4 decimal places here, right? Anyway, let's find with the other one. The other one is tan of 345.72, which gives you minus 0.2545525, right? Which is close enough. So these are absolutely correct answers, rounded to 2 decimal places, correct? So that is how you should be doing it. Follow the rules. Let me remind you my rules. Rule number 1, find the quadrants. Rule number 2, step number 2 is find related acute angle. 3, write solution, which is principal angle. Do you understand? Principal angle. So that is how you have to write solution, using that principal angle, right? And fourth step is check. There is no harm. It just takes a second and you're sure that you got the right answer. I hope these steps help. All the best, and I hope you learned this process of finding or solving trigonometric equations. Now move forward and solve complicated trigonometric equations. Thank you.